Who is Hangwani Morgan Maumela?
Fellow South Africans, good day once again. I am of the opinion that the African National Congress is hiding its dirty work and the failure behind Operation Dodula. Please like, subscribe, and comment. The African National Congress know that Dodula is acting illegally, and then the measures must be taken against them because some of the situation will include chasing away of the investors. But because it needs those votes, ANC is avoiding taking steps against Dodula up until only after they secure the votes, and then they're gonna act over it. And then that will be to show hypocrisy and dishonest to the voters. The African National Congress, as the Tembisa is showing that they have failed to spend the money correctly for the good of South Africans, of which it showed the budget, the money allocated was never spent where it's supposed to be, and not the illegal foreigners were responsible for lack of any hospital material or the clinic material. And we know, as we can go and find, that there were clinic facilities that were supposed to have built in Gauteng by the ANC government. They are not doing so. And the assessment for the need of such clinics was not based on the number of illegal foreigners. In that, we're not justifying the illegal foreigners, but we are saying, why is ANC hiding behind the illegal foreigners? When they know themselves, they are responsible for failure to supply within the budget what is needed to equal even South Africans, because the assessment was done based on the South African people, and that it was shown that there's a need for that. Also, if ANC is failing to give the jobs, and we are about 8 million or so unemployed, is it justifiable to say 8 million jobs are taken by illegal foreigners? And because they know our people will not apply good months because they are hungry, they are frustrated, they need answers, they will blame any situation that is put around, and then everybody can use for them for their benefit because they are frustrated, and a hungry stomach cannot think. So ANC is covering its failure to supply jobs to South Africans by allowing Dudula to say it is the illegal foreigners. When you go to Home Affairs, long lines, lots of people. What will a foreigner go and do at the Home Affairs? When you go to the Labor Department, long lines. You must go there as early as 6 o'clock to be in front at 8 o'clock. In Department of Labor, what will an illegal foreigner that is not registered for UIF go and do at home at Department of Labor? At the schools, even himself, Panyaza Lissouf, did say when he was the MEC of Education in Gauteng, the plan to build the schools, of which such measures have shown to be this necessity. Because even if you can see in our settlements in the townships, the populations are growing, and then Panyaza himself said people are coming from other provinces. He didn't say illegal foreigners. He said South Africans are moving from other provinces, coming to Gauteng for better living conditions, like looking for jobs, and then they come and settle here. So as a result, the African National Congress for now will not act harshly on the actions of Operation Dodula up until after the elections, when they see that really now they have secured the votes, and there's no danger, and then they're gonna come through and act on Operation Dudula. And it is so much unfortunate that Fikile Mbalula and Ino Godongwan will just come up and say they must be sent back home. But they are in government as ANC. Why are they not saying, here is the plan? Either it's a short-term plan, a middle term plan, or a long-term plan. And Godongwan, at least he could be saying, me in the finance, I am going to sit down in Home Affairs, and then we see how we empower it in order for us maybe to strengthen the border situation, etc. He should be giving the direct instruction of what they're gonna do. But they just, like anybody else, Mabahambe, making a passive statement of which our people in frustration are gonna believe, and it will never change anything. It's just use of the people's vote for hypocritical and unnecessary needs. Thanks for watching my video.